I am from company Votix, a German producer of shredders and briquetting presses, and we are here in the AWISA show together with our partner Airtight Solutions, and we are showing our smallest model of shredders for wood, the EZ6-1. This is the smallest shredder we have, 18.5 kilowatt. We are shredding here different materials, wood materials. So here we have kind of wasted chipboard, and we make a small demonstration. We have a hydraulic unit inside the shredder. We have a pusher that brings the material in front of the rotor. You can see here the rotor turning. Then we have a screen inside to prepare the chip size. And then we have connected an exhaust system that sucks it up, brings it to a silo, and from this point of view it is burned or it's stuck in another storage.